Yes, I touched on the revolution in Poland and in the Soviet Union. But those can be compared to what's going on now. But who knows where this one will lead us? That's the nature of revolution. I mean, no one predicted that the communists would seize Russia in 1917 in the first place. I mean, the Tsar's army and the Tsar was a shaky regime blow, but no one had ever seen anything like it. A people's revolution, the masses seizing power, that was shocking for its day. And look at the mess that it led to in the 80s. When the same masses revolted again and seized power once more and decided to try to set up a democratic state, or at least an apparently democratic state. Well, on it goes. Now we have our own revolution in the streets, apparently, and it seems to be gathering steam. Who knows where it will take us? Who knows where it will go? Even the people down to Occupy Wall Street have no idea. But such is the nature of revolution. Yes, it is truly a revolution when millions of people take to the streets and chant, "We're not going to take it anymore." Well, hopefully the government will get itself together and try to diffuse this by some sort of change in policy that these people will find acceptable enough so that the millions can go home and disband their ad hoc armies and go back to looking for a job. Hopefully, those of them that can actually realistically expect to get a job, which is what it's about, realistic expectations. People know that, judging by their own work histories and their own view of the current labor laws and systems in place, they know that jobs are going to be hard to get in the future economy. They know that they're not. They know they may not even be prepared for a job. They know they may not even be legally eligible for work nowadays. But such is the system that we are handed these days. And this is the result. Millions of people attempting to take to the streets throughout the western capitals of the world. Well, hopefully we'll be able to control them. Hopefully we'll be able to get them back to work somehow. Hopefully we'll be able to get through this. Have a good one, and out.